Hey guys, welcome to our third episode for this week, but the 13th episode in this series, but of course, episode 33 overall. Um, I hope that you have been benefiting greatly from these videos. Uh, Today, we're looking at questions 37 to 39 of the May 2011 paper. And I hope that you have been sharing the videos. Let's not be selfish now. All right, let's get our multiple choice groove on and let's make your friends benefit as well. All right, so don't forget to share the videos. If you are new here, of course, subscribe so that you can know when whenever the new videos or new series them come out, and you can set up your reminders to just click on that reminder button so that when the videos are premiering at 3 o'clock daily, you are able to catch it on time. All right. And the premiering gives you a chance to comment while the video is going on. All right. So here we go. First one says the area of a triangle is 30 centimeters squared and its base is 10 centimeters. What is the perpendicular height in centimeters of the triangle? As I said in yesterday's episode, what you can do when you buck up in a question like this: one, reread; two, write down things that may be helpful. So the area of a triangle is 30 centimeters squared. Ooh. So you know a formula for area of a triangle. That's going to be half times the base times the height. And it tells you that the area of the triangle is 30 centimeters squared. So here we go. 30 equals half. We're going to put in what we know. The base is going to be 10. So that's half times 10. And the height we don't know. That's what we're asked for. All right. So we can go ahead and simplify here. 2 into 10 goes 5 times. So now we have 30 equals 5h. And we're trying to find h, so let's get rid of this 5 by dividing. Whatever you do to one side, do it to the other. So h is now equal to 6. All right, pretty simple. And I can tell you that today's episode will not be long at all. Number 38, the area of a rectangle is 53.6 centimeters squared. If the length is multiplied by 4 and the width is halved, the area would then be... All right, so we have a rectangle. The area is 53.6 centimeters squared. So of course, again, we can look at the formula. Length times width is equal to the area, which is 53.6. All right, and then it says if the length is multiplied by 4. So let's say we have 4 times the length. Once we multiply that length by 4, then our answer now would be affected in the same way, right? So it would be, our answer would also be multiplied by 4. It says the length is multiplied by 4 and the width is halved. That means we're going to divide our width by 2. All right. So here we go. If we should divide this width by 2, our answer would also be affected. Our answer would also be halved. All right, so that's going to be divide by 2. And it's just the way how the laws of multiplication and division works. All right, so it says now what would the new area be? And of course, we just need to simplify this side to find that answer. 53.6 times 4 divided by 2. You can either multiply 53.6 times 4 first and then divide that answer by 2. But I'm just going to go the short way and do 2 into 4 goes 2 times. And once you multiply 53.6 by 2, of course, you will get C. All right, 107.2 centimeters squared. And our final question for today, it says item 39 refers to the table below showing the frequency of scores obtained by students in a test. And frequency will tell you how often the thing occurs. So we have the students, 8 students got a score of 2, 4 students got a score of 3, and so on. 12 students got a score of 8, 2 students got a score of 11. And it asks for the modal score, which means we need the score that most students keep getting. So it's tempting for persons to just look at the scores and go, oh, 11 is the mode. No, 11 is a score, but we need the score that occurs the most. So you're going to look at the students. This is the frequency here, how often each score happens, right? And we notice, of course, that 12 students got the score of 8. And so the modal score is going to be 8. It is also tempting to write 12. Why shouldn't you write 12? The question asks for a score. So you have to state what the score is. The score is definitely 8. All right. So 12 is the number of times that 8 occurs. So 8 is the modal score. And that completes it for episode 33 of our 3-a-day multiple choice questions. And I will see you tomorrow. All right. We're coming down to the end of our 3rd week in this series. So goodbye from BG Makes Math Easy. Subscribe, like, and share. If you're new here, you may want to stay tuned. And I wish you guys all the best on your CSEC exam journey.